Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Chrome slow download speed in Windows 10 or 11. So I will show you some steps. Firstly, what you have to do is just open the Chrome application on your mobile, and now in the address bar just write Chrome flags. Okay, just write this and hit enter. When you will come here, now you have to search for this parallel downloading. When you find this, just click on it and choose enabled. And now click on relaunch because this feature enable parallel downloading to accelerate download speed, Mac, Windows, Linux, Chrome. Okay. Now you can try it and see if your downloading speed has improved or not. If it does not improve, the second method, just open Chrome. Now click on these three vertical dots and now click on settings and now search continue running background apps. Now you will find continue running background apps. When Google Chrome is closed, just turn it off. Okay, because it fetches a lot of background data. So now after this, what you have to do is click on the search bar again and search for CMD. Right click on this, run as administrator. Now when it opens up, you have to type this command ipconfig/flush DNS, hit enter. Now write another command, that is next sh windstop or rsst. Okay, hit enter. So this will also improve a lot. Now if you are doing all of this, it does not improve the downloading speed, then what you have to do is, it's a very genuine suggestion, changing the DNS. So click on the start button, click on run and type ncpa.cpl. Now click on OK. Now let's say you are connecting with this Wi-Fi, then right click on this Wi-Fi. If you are connected by Ethernet, right click on the Ethernet, but in my case I am connected with Wi-Fi, so I'll right click on it, just click on properties. Now select this internet protocol version TCP IV4, just click on properties. You have to check this, use the following DNS server address. Now type 888 and type 8844. Now click on OK and now close and now try again and your problem must be fixed. So that's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.